I've taken out of the rope. The rope was catching it, as you can see. There's a mark there. Let's see what's this one on the floor. Wow, that's a huge cucumber. Well, the missus won't have to buy any cucumbers this month. Let's have a look at the other ones. The melon is coming alright. This was not produce many fruit as the other ones, but it's coming up slowly. Here's a butterfly. Let's have a look at this cucumber. Yeah, it's looking alright. Any more? Yes, one down there. There's one coming up. Nice one there. There's one on the floor. So look at the melons. It's coming up nicely. That one's growing every day. So I put this net on there to hold it up. Got one coming out here. There's another one there. There's a couple here. Any on this branch? Yep. There's one there, but I don't think that's going to form, so I'll have to come and cut this one here. This one here, let's see what this one's producing. It's got one there, that's not going to develop. Too late. That might. Seems to be growing. There is another one that I put in a net. See what we got up here. There's two more up here. Another one just there. Another one there. There's one coming up here. And there's another one down there. Let's see what we got up the top here, if there's any. There's one there where the bee's inside. Pollinated it. And there's one here as well. Hopefully the bee goes in there as well and pollinates it. Right, that's day two. Right, nothing's ready to be harvested yet. We haven't had the sun for 3-4 days. And these tomatoes haven't ripened yet, and it's 1st of August. So let's see what we can harvest today. So I'm going to pick some cucumbers and some runner beans, and maybe a few tomatoes from this little tomato plant, and corn. Right, let's get on with it. I thought I'll try and grow some runner beans this year, and I planted 2 runner beans. So I'm going to harvest some. Let's have a look at how the beans are doing. A couple are growing here. This one's producing more. That will do for today. Couple of days time, probably pick some more. Still growing. How is the melons doing? Let's have a look. Yeah, it's really coming on. What's the other one like? Okay, let's harvest these runner beans. Cook them. There's quite a lot on this one. Came in just in time. Look at the weather. No wonder my tomatoes are not growing or getting ripe. Right, let's have a look at these. Oh, it's gone a bit dark in here. Let's put the light on. I don't know what variety that cucumber is, but compared to the size of these ones, they're huge. And I left a couple more on there because I picked too many. So I'm going to give some of these away. And this is the corn. I just peeled it. Looks really nice. And there's another 5, 6 on the plants. And pick some tomatoes. That was ready. All the others aren't ready yet. And some runner beans. This is my 3rd crop. There's only 2 of us, so that should be enough. And I left quite a few on the plant for a couple of days time. Right, that's it, folks. As a hobbyist gardener, not doing really bad. Last year I was growing even more different varieties, but this year I thought I'll just grow only a few handful of varieties. But next year, now that I'm learning, next year I should plant more variety of vegetables and fruits. Like I'm growing melons out there now, which should ripen within about 3-4 weeks if the weather changes to warm. Not like this, which the plants are not getting photosynthesis to grow. Right, that's it. I should carry on peeling this corn. Maybe I'll boil it, or maybe I'll put another barbecue.